Here you have what at first blush looks like a pretty complicated setup. All of a sudden you're being asked to ddx, which means take the derivative of this definite integral that's going from a number to x for the first time ever. Normally we're used to numbers, and then inside here all of a sudden we're talking about another variable. We're talking about t values dt. Whenever you hit up something that looks like this, bells and whistles got to be going off inside your head that you are looking at a fundamental theorem of calculus. This is Fundamental Theorem of Calculus, Part 1. I go into it later on than I do Part 2, because Part 2 is what we've been doing for all this other section. Part 1 is this really special scenario. It's kind of saying everything in math has an opposite. And so if I take the derivative of the antiderivative, the setup on this says it has to be a number to x. So the number always needs to be on bottom and there needs to be an x variable piece up on top. That if I have that with some equation, f of t dt inside, my derivative and my antiderivative essentially cancel each other out. And that x value just pops straight in. So we get out of there f of x. It seems super crazy notation-wise, but it's super easy in reality. Derivatives and antiderivatives cancel each other out. So we are taking the derivative of this antiderivative. So they are going to cancel each other out. And we are going to get this x is going to drop in everywhere we see these t's in here. And so we end up with x over 1 plus x squared. And that's our final answer. When we take the derivative of our antiderivative, they cancel each other out. And that x just pops down into place of those t's in that equation. It looks scary, but it's super easy. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please click that like button and subscribe. And also share it with your friends and anyone else you know who might be crying about an upcoming AP Calc test. You can find more videos from me, more sample AP Calc questions, and my complete AP Calc study guide over at my website, apcalcprep.com. Have a great one.